here at the financial workshop from Build, and I want to say for a startup, this is a very good idea because we are like doing our businesses and we don't have track of our expenses. We don't know, like we receive payment and we don't know where the money is going.
It's a good decision, especially for we the business owners, for let me get a proper accounting system for we business. A lot of ways not sabi for accounts, but we do normal way, especially looking at so proprietors. We always ensure say we just do the normal. I get money, they pay me, I keep them, I use them, but we need to do it for the main purpose.